Well, what a week it has been. So Monday, we were able to go and pick up our new truck. Tuesday was the start of the blizzard, and I went and picked up our U-Haul trailer. I didn't know if we were gonna make it back here or not. We're working on downsizing, so moving stuff into storage back in Bozeman. My other plan this week was to get stuff moved into the RV, and we had like one day of that, and then Snowmageddon hit. We got some snow. So we were planning on moving in the RV this weekend, but as you can see, that's not happening. Good girl. Good girl. So, didn't get much going there. Wednesday, the blizzard hit hard. Everything shut down in North Dakota. All the roads were closed. We couldn't leave the house. We got 3-4 foot drifts behind our truck, so we were just stuck in. Thursday, we decided to go ahead and get the trailer loaded for Bozeman. We didn't know for sure if we were gonna make it or not, but we figured we take a little leap of faith on that one and go for it.
There's nothing quite like trying to downsize your life in the middle of a record-breaking, epic snowstorm. But here we are, and thus is life. So we have been working for a while now on packing up a whole bunch of stuff and just going through and downsizing. And today we are working on loading up the trailer. We got a little U-Haul trailer to kind of make our first packing trip back to Montana. So we are just out here loading it up, getting stuff in there, getting ready to start downsizing. This is crazy loading this in here because U-Hauls have metal floors and then our boots are covered in snow, so it's so slick in there trying to get these boxes in. It's a little bit crazy.
It is Friday now. They opened the roads this morning in North Dakota. They opened them last night, but it was still no travel advised, so we weren't willing to drive on that. But they switched it over this morning early, so we got on the road.
Downtown Bozeman, which is one of our absolute favorite places on the planet. We are from here, so we might be just a little bit biased, but it is so beautiful. There are just such a lot of fun little shops down here, a ton of great restaurants. If you are a foodie, downtown Bozeman is going to be like a haven for you.
Yeah.
Lots of just like little one-off places.
Definitely recommend like Jam for breakfast. We actually went there this morning.
Yeah.
It's a fantastic place if you're doing breakfast or brunch.
Yeah, and then like Copper is really, really good for dinner.
Great steakhouse.
Blackbird Kitchen is so good. Just a lot of really great restaurants. This is actually, we're walking past the theater that we got married at. We got married in downtown Bozeman too. It's really, really fun. But anyways, Toralei went with Grammy and her aunt. And so we were just enjoying some us time.
Yeah. Walking
around, doing some shopping, hanging out. So another incredible thing about Bozeman is that they have a phenomenal coffee selection. We are very, very into third wave purist coffee and just absolutely love it. We love when we travel finding all the purist shops and trying them all out. And Bozeman really does have world-class, top-notch coffee here. So if you are a coffee drinker, that's another great thing about Bozeman. Our favorite is Treeline. We actually order their beans when we're not here in Bozeman because we love it so much. But Treeline has really, really good coffee. And then there's several other great coffee roasters right here in Bozeman. It is amazing.
Yeah, so we got our first big load moved into storage.
Welcome to our storage unit.
We have probably another one trailer load to put into storage. Not sure exactly when we'll get to that, probably in a month or so. Yeah, we'll start moving stuff into the RV. We'll walk you through that process with us, how we're setting everything up, getting it prepped for full time. Stick with us on that, but for now, just enjoy some views of Bozeman.